All right, what's going on, guys? It is Monday. We are awake, and we're currently looking at, a couple of things right now. We're looking at UZGPY. So this is for my position that I had from last week. So as you can see right over here, we were looking at UJ, and we just had a lot of bearish momentum yesterday, last week. I took this trade. It went almost down to 10R, technically about almost 10% my side of things. And so, I didn't close at 10% because obviously, like, I'm sticking to my rules and I'm not gonna, like, be aggressive or greedy or try to, just think, oh my God, I'm gonna lose on this trade. I gotta, close out as fast as I can. It's part of swing trading is waiting and being patient, which a lot of people can't do. And I waited patiently. I was able to take about 5.5% with this trade right over here, so almost like around half of the original, like, of the max profit that I went to. But I added in. I got stopped out and profit right over here, or at least close to break even. And so basically, I entered right over here toward this whenever price rejected the 800 EMA. And so we are currently, we took a short, and we're currently on a trade right now. So it's been pretty choppy, not gonna lie. Especially during the Asian session, it was really choppy. So I had to be a little bit careful and take my stop away just because I wanted to give it room. I knew that usually on Mondays, and especially during the Asian session on Sunday, or like technically on Monday, that you're gonna see a lot of chop. You're gonna definitely see a lot of chop. So for me, I was gonna be careful with that, just to see what my, I guess, bias was. And so right now we're about around 3R, almost 4R right now. What I did is I added in right over here, just because I added in right here because I saw a counter formation. Yeah, it's not like an actual A1 entry or whatever, but that tells me that we're breaking out, especially with this strong momentum bar with no wicks. Like, there was no, as you can see here, it's pretty choppy, as you can see, and I saw that we were looking for a breakout right over here, and it wasn't an A1 entry. This is just, it's not like an actual, like, I guess, like, signal entry or whatever. It's I added in right over here for my bias. So add in here for the breakout. And basically, we're in profit right now. Um, and so we're basically waiting for price to break down the pivot and down toward the low of the Asian range, which is right over here, which I think it will, because we're seeing a lot of momentum. But at the same time, I feel like we could see a bounce, quick bounce from the Asia low right over here, and we'll continue, maybe pulling back to the pivot, or we're gonna see like kind of like either a breakout to the pivot and then continuation of that bearish momentum, and breaking toward the Asia low, and going over this level that I have marked up over here, which is this next level that I have marked up, and then this level right over here. Then finally we'll have this kind of big level that I had marked up from last week. Mostly I'm only afraid of the weekly level, but I will be taking profits right over here off the weekly, this level right over here. Um, put this right over here. But yeah, so currently still kind of the same initial target. We're just basically waiting, we're basically waiting for it to break out of that kind of the Asian range right now. So we'll see what it does. Um, Not gonna rush it today. With like setups today, I don't really see anything clean. I know people were looking at GA, but to be honest, that's a C setup, and it's not something that I want to trade right now. But I'll mark it up for you guys. But it's a Monday. There's no need. for lots of foolery going on around here. So yeah, that's currently what I'm looking at. We are in the 1 hour divergent line, so we'll see if we break through that on the 1 hour. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Just UJ today. Um, yeah, just basically looking at UJ right now. So we'll see what it does. Um, we're also looking at US 100, but I mean, this is I don't know. We'll see. We've just basically been holding the 80 EMA literally the whole pre-market. So we'll see what we do here. Also, I'm looking to buy some some options, in my stock portfolio. So we'll see how it goes. I'm really trying to get into more into stocks, futures, and stuff like that. Because in the future, I do want to kind of diversify my portfolio if I do plan on opening my own hedge fund. So I kind of want to just diversify, creating my own systems with different variables in the markets, and just seeing how it goes from there. Question is, what am I trying to buy? So I'm gonna make a video today about Tesla and what the stock split, five-way stock split that's happening. Tesla has just been literally on the rise the whole day, which is freaking insane. As you can see here on the 15-minute, just literally going ham. So I don't know. I was thinking maybe buying options for Tesla, but to be honest, I'm not. I'm looking for kind of like a quick trade. I was looking at FSM. I don't know. FSM has just been a little not the best lately. I'm looking to maybe probably add it into my shares, later on, but not right now to be honest, because it's just, it's not looking really good. I bought it from right over here, rejected this level, consolidated, and now we're trying to come up. So, we're making lower highs from right over here. So for me, I'm kind of just waiting to see what it does toward this level right over here, and then if we break this level, we're probably gonna hit down to the 800 EMA. To be honest, silver hasn't been really nice to me either. But silver, FSM is really correlated to silver, because obviously FSM is a silver mining company. So as the value goes up on silver, value of the company goes up as well. It's more volatile. But these are kind of like long-term trades, so I know the risk in them. To be honest, I think silver has a lot of potential. I have to get in the right time, so I have to be a little bit careful. I think I'm gonna buy some more shares once I guess we fall down a little bit lower. I'm gonna buy some silver and more shares of FSM and other companies. But our plan is to hopefully, it's just choppy. So I think we may continue going lower to the 800 EMA, to be honest. And once we do that, then I'll buy more silver that way. But I think that's pretty much it. I don't know. I may day trade today on stocks. Who knows? If you guys don't know, I've been I have experience with day trading in the stock market. More of a momentum trader. We get PXY up 27% on pre-market. We get Apple up 5%, which is nice. That's something you don't see every day. It's probably because of the earning reports. I would expect Tesla to be up during pre-market. Harp is up 15%. I mean 30% on pre-market. Shares are about $15. BPTH up about 30% as well. PXY is up 27%. But I don't like. I wouldn't want to trade that because of just looking at the choppy price action on the 1 hour. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's up today, but for the day traders, I think it's kind of hard to trade, because obviously taking that momentum up to the upside, $6.22 share, and then just completely rejects it really freaking hard, comes all the way up, and for traders wanting to trade it all the way up to the new high for the anticipation of breaking the new highs or the previous highs or whatever, they got fucked right over here. So that kind of makes me a little uneasy on that because I don't like seeing like these false breakouts. I like Pixies, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I would want to trade that. VEL, not really, not looking to trade that. I think MTP. Nah, looking looking right there. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. Basically, you know, today it drops, and then anticipation. Maybe once the market opens, we'll see anticipation toward going up to the high of day. I could see that. Question is it gonna are we gonna see that kind of momentum? Who knows? I wonder what's the catalyst for this stock. To be honest, I would look to trade BPTH. I think that's the only thing I like. And probably VEL. I'm gonna just look at the one daily and see what we're looking at. Yeah, I will look to trade VEL too. We're seeing kind of like a drop and now a continuation of that rise, and I guess there's no telling you that hey, we're slowing down. 200 EMA is in the way, so that's where you probably saw the rejection. But I do like the next momentum candle right there. So I do like that. I do like VEL on the market for it. And then BTH. Let's see. I want to see what we look at. The one daily. Yeah, I could see that going up. We're still at the daily pivot though. On a daily chart, 4 hour. Yeah, it's just been kind of choppy. Bounces at $4 a share. For a continuation toward the upside. 200 EMA is in the way, but I think today we could definitely break the daily pivot and go all the way up to the 200 EMA, which is about, about 40 cents, which is good. Could be a nice runner, especially if there's a lot of momentum. So I definitely think I could trade this today. So yeah, I'm only gonna mark up 2 in my watch list for the market open. We'll see. I'll show you guys to see in my Instagram story to see how they turn out. But I think BPTH and VEL have potential. I think I like VEL to be honest a little bit more. So I don't know. I may just trade it for some options today. It's $5 a share, so cheap. But usually whenever these kind of stocks have a lot of cataclast, I can't speak. They're gonna see a lot of big movers, but I don't know the cataclast. Oh my god, I'm losing my speech. But let me just do. Where's the news event on this? Interesting. Let me look at UJ. Yeah, I was expecting kind of a pullback on that. So we'll see what we do there. Was looking at GA as well for an idea to take it short, but not looking to trade it to C setup. Plus, I'm already in a position, so there's no point for I don't know. Like it's not. Whenever the EMAs are like that, it turns me off. Liquid 50 is a bit better, but it just I don't like it. He has enough risk reward to take it all the way down to over here, so I can see that idea, but just it's not the most high probable trade. So I'm chilling where I'm at. I don't see no cataclast. Oh my god, I'm losing my freaking speech. But I don't see anything, any news events on Bill, Velocity Financial. Yeah, I don't see any news events. Maybe it's up because of some insider trading. Yeah, no news events. So this is just typically I do like trading during like whenever there's a cataclysm on like the news event itself, because it's gonna show me that the stock has a lot of potential to have a lot of momentum. So typically I like seeing that. But whenever there's no like I guess news events for the stock, it's a bit kind of unpredictable because we don't know what's affecting the stock. So there's a lot of uncertainty and like traders see that and it's kind of bad. So VL, I don't see BTH. I know I know stocks rally because of the coronavirus, but typically I want some kind of news events whenever I trade momentum. So I guess stocks are rallying because of Trump. Trump got like the new I think COVID-19 treatment with like plasma blood or something like that. He said that the CFTC is taking too long for a cure and for treatment, so he decided to act on it. But there's no news events for BPTH. I think it's just I guess since it's a biotechnology company, I think they may have some kind of like um, they can have some shares with coronavirus. So especially with biotech companies, I'm assuming with like whenever there's I guess treatments available and like just COVID-19 I guess testing and stuff like that done, these bio companies are gonna typically go up. just because I guess they're doing a lot of research with the coronavirus. Like literally, almost all biotechnology companies doing research for the COVID-19. All of them are, um, especially with this pandemic. Like all of them are just trying to find a cure and trying and just working really hard. So that makes sense. So I would say BPTH is kind of more of a um, kind of a more of like I guess a news event kind of a trade. But I don't like how the 800 EMA is right over here. It's about yeah, it's about what 20 cents, around 20 cents toward the 800 EMA. So I don't like that. 1 hour looks much better, but on the 15-minute, I don't like how the maybe once we go above this level in pre-market, or whenever the market opens, I would want to trade this. So probably around this level. So $5.35. Just run right over here. Yeah. But I do like VEL a bit more. Not looking. Alrighty. I took some buy limits on VEL. We'll see how that goes. I think it has potential. Taking it up all the way up to $5.68 a share, so about 30 cents. I could see that. And literally after this level, we're not looking at any resistance. 1 hour, no resistance. I wouldn't really, yeah, literally no resistance until this level right over here. So I like that a lot. Forgot the one daily. No resistance there. So this thing has definitely potential to just come all the way up toward the new high of $6.85. Let's look at GA. GA kind of has that idea right there. I know the boys are looking at it in chat. It's not worth my money. Just let it go. Just let this idea go. Breaks the 50, probably is going to retest it. Taking it short. Stop all the way up over here. Taking it all the way down to the low, which is about 2R. So, to see how this kind of idea works out, but it's not worth my money. If it goes, against the direction it is what it is. No need for FOMO on Monday. Looks like UJ's pushing down. No, I'm not in on this. It's off the 21 EMA. I wouldn't really. It's a low probable kind of a trade. But I'm just determining risk to reward. Not even off the 21 EMA. It's off literally off just the 80 EMA in general. No, I've been in since literally last week. I took it short on this move right over here. 10R pulls back, made about 5.5%, and then I took another entry right over here off the 800 EMA. Took it short, and now I've been in since last week, so about like around 3.5, almost 4R right now. I have added in a little bit more, so yeah. Hopefully, let's see if we break off the Asia low right over here. Yeah, bro, you can check out the markup in the VIP chat. I sent it there. That's interesting. Yeah, we got some bullish divergence on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's pretty choppy right now, to be honest. It's London session, so it's still 5:40 my time, so I'm expecting it to at least have some momentum around New York session. It's about like 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours. I think I'll add in a little. I'll add in once we see a retest of that next level. I'll add in my last size, and then take close a little bit more into profit. But overall, I've been managing this trade pretty well. I'm still confident in trading the direction. Obviously, I know it's gonna be a little choppy. Pretty choppy. Looks like Nasdaq pushing up again. No trades. It doesn't look really good today to trade, to be honest. A lot of momentum, but no entries, no good entries at all. Looks like GJ is pushing down. Broke the 50. It's choppy. It's coming down. Just an idea, not in it. Better trading. There's better setups. And plus, it's Monday.
Mm.
just chopping around. Patient is key, guys. Just gotta be patient with it. Leave a like if you guys haven't seen it. I mean, you haven't clicked that like button yet. I'm gonna be making that Tesla video today, so should be kind of informative if you guys don't know anything about stocks and the stock split and stuff like that. It's pretty cool to see how Tesla has been just literally rising the whole freaking time. Like, if you guys check that out, Elon Musk is like the fourth richest person in the world, which is freaking insane. So I have a lot of plans with my brand and what I'm looking for within the next couple of months. So mainly on October, my biggest plan for October is we're gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing the FTML challenge live stream and do like a recap video for YouTube as well. So that's gonna be like one of the main things that's happening on October, where I'm gonna be going live, doing the 100K challenge. And yeah, hopefully I don't embarrass myself in live during live. But yeah, I'm confident that I'll pass the challenge. I know October has been kind of, I would say, like, not the best kind of, I guess, trading month, at least compared to my stats. Um, Typically around the summer, around the winter, I feel like I make more money. But I think November, I don't know. We'll see. It's a bit of like a kind of like I don't know what to like. Is it gonna be like volatile or is it not? So it's a bit kind